2026 World Cup was one of the most memorable tournaments in history for Arab teams. We witnessed matches that had the entire world talking. National teams that stood up to football's biggest giants without fear, and unforgettable victories and achievements that will remain in the hearts of every Arab football fan. But among all those matches, one important question remains: what was the greatest Arab match of the 2026 World Cup? In this video, we'll count down the top 5 matches played by Arab national teams at the 2026 FIFA World Cup. We'll start from number 5, and with every step up the ranking, the excitement will grow until we reach the match that, in my opinion, was the greatest and most thrilling game of the entire tournament. Let's get started and see which match takes the 5th spot. At number 5, we have one of the biggest surprises of the group stage, Qatar versus Switzerland. Before kickoff, almost everyone expected Switzerland to win comfortably, and from the very beginning, the Swiss took complete control of the game. Goalkeeper Mahmoud Abu Nada was Qatar's hero during the opening 15 minutes, making several outstanding saves to keep his team alive. After relentless pressure, Switzerland earned a penalty in the 17th minute, which Brial Embolo converted to give his side the lead. The first half ended with Qatar trailing 1-0. In the second half, Switzerland continued to dominate and wasted chance after chance, finishing the match with 26 shots. But Qatar refused to give up. Deep into stoppage time, Homam Ahmed delivered a dangerous cross into the box. Swiss defender Miro Muheim attempted to clear it, but accidentally turned the ball into his own net in the 90+ 4th minute, making it 1-1 and sending the Qatari fans into wild celebrations. This wasn't just another point on the table. It was Qatar's first ever point in FIFA World Cup history after all of its appearances, and that's exactly why Qatar versus Switzerland deserves to be ranked 5th on our list. At number 4, Egypt versus Belgium. Before the tournament began, hardly anyone believed Egypt could stand up to a star-studded Belgian side featuring Kevin De Bruyne, Thibaut Courtois, and Jeremy Doku. But from the opening whistle, Egypt played with remarkable confidence. They were extremely well organized defensively and relied on dangerous counter-attacks that repeatedly troubled the Belgian defense. Then, in the 19th minute, came the moment every Egyptian fan had been waiting for. Mohamed Salah received the ball and delivered a brilliant pass to Imam Ashour, who fired a first-time shot past Courtois to give Egypt a historic lead. It was the Pharaohs' first ever lead in a FIFA World Cup match. After the goal, Belgium threw everything forward with all their attacking stars, but goalkeeper Mostafa Choubert was in outstanding form, while the Egyptian defense stood firm against wave after wave of Belgian attacks. Then the Belgian manager introduced Romelu Lukaku, and the game changed instantly. Less than a minute after coming on, a cross was whipped into the penalty area, and Lukaku forced Mohamed Hani into turning the ball into his own net, leveling the score in the 66th minute. Despite relentless Belgian pressure in the closing stages, Egypt held on until the final whistle, earning a valuable point against one of the tournament's strongest teams. This match sent the first real message to the football world. Egypt hadn't come to the World Cup just to participate, they had come to compete with the very best. That's why Egypt versus Belgium deserves the 4th spot on our list. At number 3, Saudi Arabia versus Uruguay. Before kickoff, almost everyone expected Uruguay, with a squad packed with stars like Federico Valverde and Darwin Núñez, to win the match comfortably. But Saudi Arabia had other plans. From the very first minute, Mohamed Al-Owais made it clear he was going to be the star of the night, producing several outstanding saves, including a powerful header and a thunderous long-range strike that nearly gave Uruguay an early lead. Despite the relentless pressure, Saudi Arabia stayed patient. Then, in the 41st minute, the stadium erupted. From a corner kick, Abdullah Al-Amri rose highest and powered a header into the back of the net, giving the Green Falcons the lead and stunning the Uruguayan supporters. The first half ended with Saudi Arabia leading 1-0 in one of the biggest surprises of the tournament. Uruguay came out fighting in the second half. Al-Owais continued his incredible performance, but in the 80th minute, Maximiliano Araujo finally found the equalizer after a sustained attacking move, setting up a dramatic finish. Despite late pressure from Valverde and his teammates, Saudi Arabia defended courageously and held on until the final whistle. This draw was about much more than a single point. It was a powerful statement that Saudi Arabia is still capable of standing toe-to-toe with the giants of South American football, recapturing the same fearless spirit that amazed the world with their famous victory over Argentina at the 2022 FIFA World Cup. For that reason, Saudi Arabia versus Uruguay fully deserves the 3rd spot on our list. And number 2, one of the greatest matches of the group stage, Morocco versus Brazil. Before kickoff, everyone expected a classic Brazilian masterclass, But what unfolded on the pitch was the complete opposite. Morocco showed no fear from the very first whistle, pressing aggressively and creating several dangerous chances, while Brazil struggled to break down the Moroccan defense and cope with their outstanding organization. Then, in the 21st minute, came the moment that stunned the football world. Brahim Diaz delivered a brilliant through ball that split Brazil's defense wide open, and Ismail Saibari timed his run perfectly before delicately lifting the ball over Alisson to give Morocco a sensational lead, leaving the Brazilian fans in disbelief. Brazil responded quickly. In the 32nd minute, Vinicius Jr. picked up the ball on the left wing, cut inside, and unleashed an unstoppable strike that flew past Yassine Bounou, bringing the score level at 1-1 before halftime. The second half turned into an end-to-end battle. Bounou produced a spectacular save to deny Rafinha, while at the other end, Alisson came up with a crucial stop to keep out a powerful effort from Neil El Ainaoui. Although the match ended in a draw, Morocco walked away as the team that earned the admiration of the entire football world. The Atlas Lions went toe-to-toe with the five-time world champions and delivered one of the finest performances in their World Cup history. For that reason, Morocco versus Brazil fully deserves the second spot on our list. And finally, the number one match without any debate, Egypt versus Argentina. This was the match that had the entire football world talking. A clash between the Pharaohs and the defending world champions that had everything you could possibly ask for in a football match. Goals, drama, world-class saves, and controversial refereeing decisions that are still being debated to this day. The perfect start belonged to Egypt. In the 15th minute, Marwan Attia delivered a pinpoint cross and Yasser Ibrahim rose above everyone to power a header past Emiliano Martinez, giving Egypt the lead and stunning the Argentine supporters. Argentina looked to respond immediately. Just 6 minutes later, they were awarded a penalty after Haitham Hassan brought down Lionel Messi inside the box. But Mustafa Shobair produced one of the tournament's most unforgettable moments, making a brilliant save to deny Messi from the spot. It was his second penalty save of the tournament, making him the first goalkeeper in the competition to stop 2 penalties and sending the Egyptian fans into a frenzy. Early in the second half, it seemed as though Egypt had put the game beyond Argentina's reach. Mustafa Zico found the back of the net for what looked like Egypt's second goal, but after a VAR review, the referee ruled it out for a foul earlier in the build-up, sparking furious protests from the Egyptian players and coaching staff. Zico wasn't about to leave the match without making his mark. In the 67th minute, Haitham Hassan led a lightning-fast counter-attack before slipping a perfectly timed pass to Zico, who calmly finished to make it 2-0 against the defending world champions. At that moment, it truly felt like one of the greatest upsets in World Cup history was within Egypt's reach. But then came the comeback. In the 79th minute, Cristian Romero pulled one back for Argentina. Just 4 minutes later, Lionel Messi redeemed his earlier penalty miss by scoring the equalizer, turning the match into one of the most dramatic and unforgettable encounters of the entire tournament. Then, in stoppage time, the controversy exploded. Egypt appealed for a penalty, but the referee waved play on. Moments later, the ball reached Enzo Fernandez, who scored the dramatic winning goal in the 90-plus second minute, sealing a 3-2 victory for Argentina. The final whistle was met with furious protests from the Egyptian players and coaching staff, who believed they had been denied a clear penalty. Combined with the earlier disallowed goal, the refereeing decisions became the biggest talking point after the match. The controversy lasted for days, with widespread criticism of how VAR was used, as many described it as one of the tournament's biggest officiating failures. Despite the defeat, Egypt left the pitch with their heads held high. The Pharaohs produced a heroic performance against the defending world champions in a match that had everything: an early goal, a historic penalty save against Lionel Messi, a controversial disallowed goal, and a breathtaking late comeback that turned the game into an instant classic. That's why Egypt versus Argentina unquestionably deserves the number one spot on our list of the greatest matches played by Arab teams at the 2026 FIFA World Cup. And that wraps up our list of the top 5 Arab matches of the 2026 World Cup. 5 unforgettable games that proved Arab national teams no longer come to the World Cup just to participate. They now come to compete, to surprise the world, and to push football's biggest nations to their limits. We witnessed historic victories, hard-fought draws that felt like wins, and matches that came within minutes of becoming legendary football miracles. No matter how you rank them, one thing is certain: the 2026 World Cup was one of the greatest tournaments in the history of Arab football. Now it's your turn. Which match do you think deserved the number one spot? And is there another Arab match you believe should have made the list? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.